How to buy bdtcoin token. So this token came under the symbol of BDTC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it will be listed on MEXC. You can buy it from your account on MEXC if you have an account on it. Now first of all, open your account on MEXC like that, as you can see. Now, if you don't have an account in MEXC, you can go down below the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, click here on this search bar and just type the token name. In this case, it will be the BDTC like that, and you will be able to find this pair. Now, click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be live for trading about 11 hours ago from now, and after that date, click on limits, and now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be paid that you set your account. Now click on buy the BDTC. Now if you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on market here. Now just easy and simple, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use it that you set your account to be able to use it to buy the token. So this is how to buy BDTC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.